If you've been struggling to reconnect with your inner child, or you're wanting to process and release some pain from childhood, this intuitive energy healing session and subconscious rewiring session will be very helpful for you. And hi, my name is Nami. I'm an intuitive energy healer and hypnotherapist who helps you shift your identity, raise your frequency, and align with your higher self. And what I'd like you to just do is to allow yourself to set the intention to release any of the negative thoughts, emotions, beliefs, old energy, and generational trauma that you may have experienced in childhood. Okay? And if you can feel the emotion of the discomfort or pain from childhood somewhere in your body, just draw your attention to that area. A lot of people feel it in their heart, in their throat, maybe in their stomach as well. Wherever you feel it is fine. Draw your attention there. In your mind, draw a circle around that area and just set the intention to release any of that energy there. Because emotions are just energy, clear. And you can use energy to release energy. I also feel pushed to say here, none of it was your fault as a kid. None of that's your fault. And whatever you're carrying from that time, you can let it go now. You can allow yourself to release the emotional heaviness of it, not to forget the memory, not to give anyone a pass, but to allow yourself to remove yourself from any of the shackles of the pain of the past. Clear. Release. Because while it was not your fault what you experienced when you were younger, clear, it is your responsibility to release that, heal that, soothe that, clear, release. And having a little support can be helpful sometimes. Clear. There we go. Clear. You always deserve to be treated well. And you can now treat yourself well. Now. Clear. Clear. Release. You are safe now. Take a nice deep breath into your stomach. Hold it at the top. Breathe out. Clear. You're safe now. And you've got this. You're doing so well. Clear. 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 simply because you are seeking to better yourself and heal from things that you didn't do to yourself, you're doing really well. And if you're not giving yourself enough credit, give yourself more credit. Thank you for showing up for yourself and your inner child. Clear. Okay. We are going to go into a nice energy transmission. I'm going to build up the energy of love and nurturing and all that wonderful energy that you may not have received when you were younger in the way that you would have liked. And even if you did, we're just going to amplify more of that energy. And we're going to move into the subconscious rewiring just to reconnect with your inner child and integrate them into your present moment so you can shed any of that subconscious old energy that may be keeping you stuck in the past, stuck in old habits. Okay. Okay, take a nice deep breath in. Breathe on out. Beautiful. You can just allow yourself to draw your attention to your breath. Breathing slowly and comfortably. And if you haven't already, you can close your eyes down. And in your mind, I'd like you to imagine a door appear in front of you. And this door is labeled Inner Child. You can walk up to this door, open it up, and step on through. Or on the other side, you see a younger version of yourself. And you can go up to them now and ask them if they would like to share with you how they're feeling. And just allow them to share anything that they would have wanted to share when they were younger, but maybe didn't get the chance to. Where they can share and actually be heard if they were not heard. Where they can share where it is safe. And you can pause the video here if you need a longer time with your younger self to allow them to share more. But if not, you can now tell your younger self all the things that you would have needed to hear at that time. If you were there for your younger self, what would you have said to them and what would they have needed to hear? And tell them now. And if you haven't already, you can give them a warm embrace. Sharing as much as you need to share. Until they feel seen and heard. And as you give your younger self a warm embrace, as you are now connected to this younger version of you now. Having created this safer space, you can begin to see your younger self turning into light, fading into light and merging into your body now. And feel your younger self integrating into your body now, reconnecting with you as you have helped them to feel heard and safe. Knowing that a very important part of your consciousness has returned back to you. Take a nice deep breath in. Breathe on out. And from a count of 3 to 1, you can open your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Okay. That was your energy healing session and intuitive rewiring session to help heal the inner child and reconnect with the inner child. Let me know how you feel in the comments after that session. And like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff if you enjoyed this session. You may also enjoy the session over here if you enjoyed this one. I love you, appreciate you.